Why don't you go photograph everything that ever passed in time? Indigenous traces, tribal chiefs vanishing hereditary lines. Poets gone wild, on the muse prophets all destroying the Tao. When